In this video we will tell you the 8 money habits that can make you rich. The more habits of money you practice, the better you will be in handling money and will make you rich in a very short period of time. Watch this video till the end or you may miss the opportunity to become a millionaire. Now let's start. 1. Jot down your financial objectives. Writing out your financial goals turns them from ideas into attainable objectives. It encourages you to make the commitment to reach those goals. Determine your short and long-term objectives first. Building an emergency fund or paying off a credit card are examples of short-term objectives. Retirement savings and house ownership are examples of long-term ambitions. Check that the objectives include precise quantities and reasonable time frames. Having these written objectives in front of you all the time allows you to review and consider them to develop better financial habits, maintain motivation, monitor your development, and make any adjustments. 2. Begin regular early saving. Saving money for short-term, long-term, or unforeseen expenses can always help you along the journey to financial success. Investigate banks or credit unions that provide cheap fees and competitive interest rates before opening a savings account. Apply either in person or online, bringing the necessary identification and, if necessary, an initial deposit. Higher interest rates are available with a high-yield savings account than with a regular one. Verify a minimum amount of balance or fees linked to these accounts in order to optimize the development of your funds. To make sure you are saving money consistently and often, try automating your savings. You may essentially pay yourself first by setting up automatic transfers of a certain amount or percentage of your salary. Though it's not always feasible to save so much, most experts advise setting aside 20% of your salary for savings. Over time, even a little sum saved on a regular basis may accumulate into a sizable nest egg, particularly if it is receiving a competitive rate of return in a high-yielding savings account. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and secrets to get rich. 3. Invest your money. Over time, investing may help you accumulate money. Nevertheless, you must approach it with a well-considered plan and a thorough knowledge of the procedure. Thanks to compound interest, investing enables your money to increase dramatically over time. This will assist your money to accumulate into a sizable sum. Investing in many asset classes, industries, and regions may reduce risk and boost possible rewards. Investing is a game played over time. You have more time for your money to grow the sooner you start. Purchasing real estate may provide both long-term value growth and rental income. Better choices may be made if you keep learning about investing and keeping current with market developments. Recall that investing entails risks and that profits are not guaranteed. Before investing, it's critical to evaluate your time horizon, risk tolerance, and financial objectives. Continually diversify your holdings and, if necessary, seek advice from a financial expert. 4. Draft a spending plan. Living within your means, staying debt-free, and reaching financial objectives are all made easier with a budget. Without a budget, handling money is similar to going blindfolded. A spending plan may assist you track how much money will be arriving in and going out if you don't have one or find it difficult to maintain one. Another excellent method of managing your money is via budgeting applications. A terrific approach to make the process easier and include it into your daily life is to download a budgeting software. To allow the budgeting tool to monitor and record your income and spending, you will need to link your bank accounts. While you may manually set up those categories and modify expenditures as required, many of these applications automatically classify each spend for you. You still have to cut down on your spending where you can, even if a budgeting tool may help you do so. 5. Reduce debt with high interest rates. Debt isn't always a negative thing. In fact, it may be used to help you accomplish certain objectives, including paying for school. Mishandling debt, however, may result in significant long-term financial problems. Verify all of the conditions of all of your credit card and loan applications, and give the ones with the highest interest rates priority payment. As your balance accumulates, high interest implies you will eventually accumulate more debt. To stop debt from mounting up more quickly, try to pay more than the minimum each month. For better terms, look into debt consolidation or refinancing as well. Having said that, individuals with the highest interest rates on their biggest debts should choose a more balanced strategy to debt repayment so they can pay off some smaller obligations to maintain motivation while working toward paying off the bigger ones. 6. Every day check your accounts. Just like with your physical health, regular examinations are necessary for your financial wellness. Actually, by purposefully checking your bank accounts every day, either online or using a mobile banking app, you can make sure that you identify such problems early on and act before they become worse. You could have been charged falsely for a membership service, for instance. It's more probable that you may have an illegal transaction promptly addressed and reimbursed the sooner you find it. One other excellent method to prevent overdraft fees is to be aware of your daily account balance. You'll be aware of your available spending and may choose to transfer if needed or avoid falling into the red. Think about setting mobile banking notifications to let you know when your account balance is becoming low to help you keep track of your accounts. 7. Put into effect the 24-hour rule. Impulse spending is the propensity to make unnecessary purchases for short-term satisfaction, often resulting in regrets. It's a poor financial habit that may destroy your budget and impede your financial objectives. A basic tactic to help prevent impulsive purchasing is the 24-hour rule. When you feel like buying something that isn't absolutely necessary, put off the decision for a whole day. Ask yourself throughout this period whether the purchase fits with your financial objectives and if you really want it or were you simply seduced at the time. You'll usually find that, when the first urge fades, you're at ease with passing on the purchase, which will save you money and avoid buyer's regret. 8. Pick the brains of money experts. What motivates people to make educated financial choices is financial literacy, or the understanding and use of financial skills. You may access vast amounts of financial resources, particularly via the internet. You can probably locate some free, learning-style appropriate media, whether it be podcasts, library books, or online courses, that might provide insightful financial information. Look at subjects including debt management, investment, retirement planning, and budgeting. Working with reliable financial professionals may assist you in negotiating the intricacies of the financial system. You're probably already inclined to understand your money better if you're watching this. That's all for today. Now you know all the best maneuvers that could make you rich. Press this subscribe button so that you can learn more amazing financial tips and tricks that we upload. Click on the like button. Share this video with everyone for them to learn. Feel free to add a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions for us. All the millionaires and multi-billionaires have suggested these money habits. You must follow this if you want to get rich. Thank you for watching the video till here.